going to call the name according to their rank. Your rank, you will sit from right to left. First, rank 1, Nidhi Rani. Rank 2, Amit Prashar. And rank 3, Pratyush. Vaishnavi. No, sorry. Before Vaishnavi, Akash. Akash. 4. Rank 4 is Akash. Rank 5 is Vaishnavi. Satyam. 6, yes. And Ans 7 and Nissan 8. Take your seats. And give the answer. What does sail mean in Latin? What does sail mean in Latin? Speak in my right answer, little room. What allows entry and exit of selected material in and out of cell? What? Plasma membrane. Right answer. No second time will be given. If you utter a wrong word, then and again you want to say that answer right, first answer will be chosen. So be very careful. Which tissue is present in the skin of onion? Which tissue is present in the skin of onion?
Epidermis.
Epidermis is the right answer. Which kind of solution, what will say, cell will swell up?
Hypotonic solution.
Hypotonic solution. Right answer. Which type of ER involved in synthesis of lipids?
Smooth endo.
1 to 100 what?
UM.
No, wrong answer. 1 to 10 mm micrometers. Protoplasm. Who coined the term protoplasm? Who coined the term protoplasm? Right answer, Purgenji. What case will plays important role in detoxifying many poison and drugs in a cell? Which organelle plays important role in
Endoplasmic reticulum.
Endoplasmic reticulum. Wrong answer. Who gave cell theory? Virtue. Name the cellular process by which substances are brought into the cell. Name the cellular process substances are brought into the cell. Name the cellular process by which substances are brought into the cell.
Diffusion and osmosis.
No. Cell theory.
Virtue.
Virtue. Right. right answer. Which complex substance provides a structural strength to the cell? Which complex substance provides a structural strength to plant cell? You have no idea. When was electron microscope discovered? When was electron microscope discovered?
In 1940.
Right answer. 1940 is the right answer. Nuclear components change into chromosome.
Chromatin.
Chromatin. Right answer. Name the chemical found in the walls of bark of a tree. Suberin. Right answer. Suberin is the one. So now I am going to announce that Vaishnavi has scored 2. Clap for her. And on 3 we have 1, 2 and 3. So Nishant has scored 3. Clap for him. Satyam has also scored 3. Clap for him. Piyush has also scored 3. So clap for him. And now we have 4 points and 5 points. So 2 4 points and 2 5 points. 5 points Nidhi Rani and Akash. And 4 points Amit and Ans. So they all 4 have gone into the semi-final. Semi-final will be played. And I request other students to sit into the audience. Okay. Next time, good luck for you next time. Very carefully, you have to give the answers. Okay, ready? Yeah. Which animal tissue helps in repair of tissue and fills the space inside the organ? I am repeating the question. The question is, which animal tissue helps in repair of tissue and fills the space inside the organ?
Alveolar tissue, which is the epithelial.
Right answer. Alveolar tissue is the right answer. Clap for her. Which tissue in plants divides and redivides to grow? Which tissue in plants divides and redivides to grow?
Meristematic tissue.
Meristematic tissue is the right answer. Question is, what is responsible for increase in girth of the stem or root? What is responsible for increase in girth? Lateral. Right answer. Lateral. Which tissue make up the husk of coconut? Husk of coconut.
Sclerenchymatous tissue.
Sclerenchyma. Right answer. Sclerenchyma. So your question is, Akash, what is the other name for lateral meristem? What is the other name for lateral meristem? What is the other name for lateral meristem?
Cambium.
Absolutely right. Cambium is absolutely right answer. Now second, give the name of the connective tissue which don't have fibers. Give the name of the connective tissue which don't have fibers.
Blood.
Blood is right answer. Because highest you have till now you have highest score sharing with Nidhi Rani. Now Ans, name the chemical substance with waterproof quality covering the aerial parts of plant.
Cutin.
Cutin is the right answer. What is called epithelial tissue which fold inward and form a multicellular gland?
Columnar epithelium.
Wrong answer. Glandular epithelium. Okay. So your question has finished, and they have done well, I think, to reach here. So clap for them. Going to the audience, Amin, and we have finalists. Now we have finalists. The finalists are Nidhi Rani and Akash. So as we will toss a coin and Nidhi Rani will call. Who will score more will win this biology quiz contest of 2024. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
And repeat answer will not be allowed. Give the answer in first time. There is no yes, if, but this, that. Okay. Clear cut answer is required. Okay. Ready for it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Where are cilia found? Where are cilia found?
It's respiratory tract.
In respiratory tract. Right answer. What is called the diversity of life forms?
Biodiversity.
Right answer. Biodiversity. Which region of the earth is rich in biodiversity? The tropical region, you are saying. Means what? Warm region. Okay. So I consider your answer right. Okay. So give her right. What are called the amphibians of the plant? What are called the amphibians of the plant?
Bryophyta.
Bryophyte. Right answer. Bryophyte. Which macronutrient is required in the largest quantity by plant?
Protein.
No. Name the fluid connective tissue consisting of plasma and mainly white blood cell.
Blood.
No.
Adipose tissue.
No, there is no second chance. Name the three components of xylem. Name any two components. Okay? Name any two components of xylem.
Fluids, vegetables, xylem and xylem fiber.
Right answer. Which, for the same question I have just asked from Nidhi Rani. Okay. So first question for you is, where are cilia found? Where are cilia found? Where are cilia found?
Ciliated epithelium.
No, not correct. Where I am asking where it found. So So it is not the right answer. What is called the diversity of life forms? What is called the diversity of life forms? It's very simple question, but you are not giving the. Its answer is biodiversity. Okay. Which region of the earth is rich in biodiversity? Which part of the earth?
Equatorial.
Equatorial. It's warm. Yes, right answer. It's tropical or equatorial. What are called the amphibians of the plant? No. Which macronutrient is required in largest quantity by plant? Which macronutrient is required in largest quantity by plant?
Nitrogen.
Yes, right answer. Nitrogen. Name the three components of xylem. Sorry, two. Xylem.
Tracheids.
Hmm.
Xylem, parenchyma.
Right answer. So he has got the silver medal, and Nidhi Rani has won the contest. She has scored 5 out of 9. So clap for her. It has not ended. So you see here, first final round between class. What is called the process by which amoeba can engulf a food particle? Endocytosis is the right answer. Class 9, and bronze medal goes to Ami Prasad. And silver goes to Akash Kumar. Come on, Akash. Silver medal. So, require a huge clap. Nidhi Rani. Nidhi Rani has got gold medal for class 9 biology.